Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Odoo website product slot pricing. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Go to the database, and in the apps, our module must be installed. Now click on this home icon and go to Website. Then go to e-commerce and Price Lists. Now we will create a new price list. Let's say, give it a name New Offer. We can select the currency, the country group, or the company, and click on this Add a Line button. Now we can choose a product. Let's say I select Conference Chair, and we can see this variant field. Now, if we choose a single variant, then the offer is going to be applicable to this single variant when the customer chooses the same variant. Let's say I select aluminum. Now we can select the price type. We can choose a discount percentage to be applied, a fixed formula-based discount, or a fixed price. So if we choose a discount, let's say I give a 40% discount on this product based on its sales price. If we choose any other option, then it will be applied based on the currency, but if we don't choose any currency over here, then the offer is going to be applicable to all currencies. Now we can select a minimum quantity. If we choose a quantity over here, then the offer is going to be applicable once the customer chooses the minimum quantity. And a validity period as well. For this, I'm choosing the start date as the 27th. Click on this calendar icon and go to this field. Now we can choose the end date for this offer to be applicable on the website. I am selecting the 31st. Click Apply. Now the offer is only applicable until the 31st of May, 5 p.m. Save and close. Click Add a Line again for our new price list. This time, I'm selecting a category. Now, we can select the category over here. If I choose office furniture, then all the products that are coming up in the category are applicable for this single discount that we apply to these products. I'm giving a discount or a fixed price. Let's say I give a fixed price of $20 for all of the products in this category. Minimum quantity of 2. For the validity period, we can leave these fields blank. But if we leave them blank, then the offer is going to be applicable as soon as we select the end date. And till the 30th, we want this offer to be applicable. Save and close. Go to the e-commerce tab and click on the selectable button. Now, if we don't choose any selectable, if we choose it this way, the price list is going to be live on the website, and the customer can choose that price list from the drop-down on the product page. Just save, go to the website again. This time, go to Shop and scroll down to open any product. Conference Chair. Select the particular price list that we created, New Offer. Now we can see the offer over here. This is the fixed price offer that we applied to these products. Now, if the customer chooses the minimum quantity of 2, the price goes down to 20. We can also directly add the discount or the particular price slots by clicking on this Add to Cart button. If you want, you can choose the optional product or otherwise click Add to Cart. Now, go to All Products again and let's say click on Office Chair. Now for this product also, as we applied a fixed price discount, we can see that irrespective of the prices, the fixed price for this product is $20. Just click on Add to Cart, go to Cart, we can see both of our products that we had. This way we can add multiple products. Check out, add the addresses, confirm, enter the payment details, and click Pay Now. Now our order is successfully placed. This way, we can create multiple price lists with multiple price rules that the customer can choose according to their requirements. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.